My obsession. This is Anamika here, and today I am here with the makeup look in which I am actually going to do my perfect base makeup look with the help of Fit Me range. As you guys already know, Diwali is around the corner and even we are entering the wedding season. So there's a lot of weddings coming up, and with this festive season I just thought of creating this base with all the Fit Me product, and yeah, I got this makeup look right here. It's super easy and simple to create. I'm going to show you how you can do the makeup step by step, your base makeup, and then you can just go for any lip and eye option. I just went for a coal eye and lips because I want my base makeup to stand out today, and I am actually loving how I am looking. So if you want to know how I created my base makeup, keep watching, but before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button for each notifications. Even if you wish, you can follow me on my social media. Everything is flashing right here. You can follow me on my Facebook and Instagram. Even all the makeup details will be there in the description box. If you wish to purchase any of the product, you'll get all the links in the description box. And yeah, if you want to know how I have created this perfect base, then please keep on watching. So firstly, I'm really sorry because I have a nasally voice because I had cold and cough. I still have, and even fever. That's why I've been suffering quite a lot, so I might sound a little weird. Extremely sorry for that. But today I'm going to do my base makeup with Fit Me range. So I have two primers right here. The first one is Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. This is for normal to oily skin. It has SPF 20 in it, and this primer is with clay formula. Like if you touch it, you'll feel it's little smooth and it's like a clay. So this is what it is. And the next one I have is Dewy Plus Smooth Primer. This is for normal to dry skin. I'm going to use this today because I feel my skin is very dry lately. I have a combination skin, but I'm going to use this for that healthy looking skin because I don't know if you can make it out. My skin feels very dry, and this even has vitamin E in it, so it's going to smooth out, hydrate my skin, and give me a perfect base, perfect canvas for my foundation. So as you can see, my skin looks quite nice and healthy. It's looking nice and dewy as well. It is going to give me a perfect fit for this festive season as well, because you don't want to look cakey, and this is giving a nice finish as well. So I'm going to move on to my foundation. And now for my foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. This is in the shade 128 Warm Nude. This is my perfect shade, and I have been using Maybelline Fit Me for a long time. If you're following me from a long time, you know that I end up using Fit Me Foundation quite a lot because I really like the formula. It is actually perfect for my skin tone. This color looks absolutely perfect on my skin tone. I have tried many shades earlier because I was a beginner and I didn't knew exactly what would go. Like if I have used the lighter version, it made me look ashy. Even the darker version did not match me. And the Fit Me range is not going to clog your pores because it is all non-comedogenic products, and it's actually best for your festive season. It's perfect when you're going just a day out and you want to look your best, and even if you're wearing your mask, this is not going to harm your skin. You're not going to get any rashes, any pimples. It is actually perfect, and even it is mask friendly, so you can use this for your festive season as well. I'm going to do this, so I'm going to show you how you can apply the foundation. So firstly, I'm going to take 2 to 3